Another day, another advent calendar. Loccitane, thank you. This is not a sponsored video. However, Loccitane did send this to me today. Thank God, because I was about to buy it. No joke. Loccitane. I'm pretty sure it's tan. If it's not, I'm sorry. Thank you to them for gifting me this gorgeous, amazing 24-day advent calendar. Let's get started. Don't forget though, hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment below your favorite shower gel you love to use, because mine, you're looking at it, is Loccitane, no joke. We're gonna just open this. I'm opening this up obviously for the first time with y'all. Here we go again. We've got numero. My goodness, where are you? Where are you? I found you. Ooh, it's one of those. Okay, ow. Okay. Oh. Hand cream. I love their actual hand cream. It's not just, I think there's so many different sizes. I believe this is not their smaller size, so that's good news. This is pretty much their regular size. They have a bigger one that they sent me, but their hand cream really does moisturize your hands, especially since I hand feed my dog. That's for a whole nother video. Don't even get me started. Number 2, we have, I do like this. See, this is what's so, oh, this is a travel size. That's okay. That's okay. We'll throw you a bone. Don't worry. This is another type of almond oil. Oh, this is the body wash I have in the shower that I go through bottles and bottles of. If you've seen any, I think I haven't, have I? No, haven't uploaded my empties yet, but that's coming up. You'll see that I have like 3 empty bottles of the shower gel, and it's gorgeous. Same smell. It's not as strong. I like my scents pretty strong, but it's the same family, put it that way. It's in the same family. We have indoor number 3. Ooh, what is this? I don't have this. Flor de Cerisier perfume shower gel. Say what? This is going straight in the shower. In my shower. Look at that. This is, I would say this is not completely a travel size, but Rose. Smells like, yes, perfume shower gel. God, if you don't like scents, this one's not for you. You know the drill. Okay, number 4, right here. I'm finding them. Nope, no problem. There's no problem here. Ooh. Loccitane foot cream. My heels are dry as hell. Definitely need that. TMI, I know. But hey, who doesn't need foot cream? I'm pretty sure if you're over the age of 30 or even 25, if you're a dancer, you need this, and probably the regular size. Okay, gross. 5. I like the little, that's a great, should I do my next one? Should it be an ASMR where I don't talk? Just wondering. Let me know in the comments below. Loccitane Immortal Pericus. What the hell is this? Oh, it's a cleansing oil, skincare. Ooh, I don't have this either. Oh my God. This is for double cleansing, I'm assuming? Number 6. Okay, this is great. If I was a kid, I would love this. Would have been my favorite one because you get to like rip open the box. I think that's just what makes it advent calendar. This is got weight to it. This is the supple skin oil, smoothing and beautifying. This doesn't feel like an actual travel size. It feels more like a medium size. Ooh, yes, it is. Okay, so it's almond oil. I keep thinking it's like it has coconut in it, but it doesn't. Their signature scent is so gorgeous. I like it because it's light, but it still leaves a beautiful smell after you take a shower. Like it's not some of those shower gels where it smells great as you're using it and then it's like gone after 2 seconds. Certain scents are better, let's say, as a perfume versus a shower gel, but perfume, shower gel, whatever type of anything, it always smells consistently amazing. It's not too like perfumey, but it's just a beautiful, beautiful scent. I love it. Lucky number 7. Ow. Wait. Ow. There we are. Okay, it's a travel size, but that's okay. Get out of there. This is another Flor de Cerisier. I don't even know if I'm not pronouncing any of this right, just so you know. This is the perfume. So our first perfume so far. I believe that Loccitane has more than one type of advent calendar. I've seen on different sites. Oh, this smells so good. Yeah, this goes with the shower gel that smells like roses, remember? Ooh, you're green. This is their other gel douche shower gel. Okay, this smells very fresh, kind of like dryer sheets meets aloe vera. It's like a little taste test of all of their amazing shower gels. Number 9. I see you. Ooh, yes. So satisfying, that sound. I should have done an ASMR with this one. Okay, this is tiny. It's as tall as my pinky finger, and I have small hands. It's okay, I guess. But I'm just saying, I don't do you guys dirty, my subscribers. So if you're thinking of getting this and this pisses you off, don't get it, okay? Okay. But you never know. That skincare in that little tiny sample size bottle could be worth lots of money. Who knows? 10. Hopefully we just get better and better. Now, this is a travel size. This is, the same type of, okay, so we have the shower gel now, the perfume, and now the body lotion of that roses scent. What I love about Loccitane, honestly, is how very slight, like it's not overpowering, their scents. 11, where are you at? We've got a sample size of this is a pillow mist. I guess you don't really need much to spray your pillow down because you also don't want to that's strong. We don't need a lot. This could be their actual travel size. It smells good, but I don't know if I could smell that throughout my whole night. You know what I mean? My dog would probably get choked up. We've got the hand lotion with almond oil. Ooh, maybe this is the one. Yeah, wait, no, is it? Yeah, it smells good. Why is it green though? The brand is yellow, like the almond oil. I'm just saying, we got to stick to the brand. You have to stick to the same colors unless I'm seeing things, but this looks green to me. Just kidding. Okay. Not my brand, not my business. Lucky number 13. Okay, we have the Gentle and Balanced shampoo. We have shampoo. I didn't even know that they sold shampoo. Look at that. This is travel size. Guess what? We have 14 just right here. Love it. It's conditioner. You guessed it. It's conditioner. Yep. Let's smell it. What does it smell like? Fresh. Smells a little like deodorant. I don't know. Some people may like it. Perfume, scents, personal. I do appreciate the attention to detail though. God, this must take forever to create. So this might be between a sample and a travel size, but this is their cleansing cream. That's all I have to say. 16. Oh, found you. Here you are. Okay. Neroli Orchid Perfume Body Lotion. What does orchid smell like? Let's see. Okay. It's very flowery, as you can imagine. 17. Okay. This is their shower scrub. Ooh. Get some exfoliating mitts. Like I have 3. I like to put 2 on when I'm in a rush, 2 hands, 2 mitts. 18. There you are. Okay. This is a mask for your hair, dry and damaged hair. Yeah. Number 19. We've got, okay, this is now, remember the shower gel? I feel the pattern. I can see pattern and I can notice it and I can feel it. Now we've got the body lotion version, dryer sheets and aloe vera. 20. Oh yeah. Money. This is the product of my year. I only discovered them recently. And then I don't know how lucky I got for them to send me stuff, but they must have heard me obsess about them because this is the shower gel of the year, of the next decade. I'm never going to use anything else. This is the best, gorgeous, delightful, worth every penny. 21. Okay, it's cute though. This is their facial cream, youth cream. Yes, cute. I do have the bigger size. They sent me their youth cream. It's so good. It just smells, the quality is definitely luxury. Okay, so this is, in my eyes, this is a luxury brand. I feel like you're getting a lot for your money's worth. At least you can figure out what products you want to invest your money in. For sure, it needs to be the shower gel. 22, 2 more to go after this. This is the Pro Youth Body Care Body Balm. Didn't know that this existed. There's that, okay? Second to last, number 23. I hope we can end with a bang. Okay, we've got Neroli Orchid Hand Cream. I like how it just doesn't explode in your hands like some hand creams do. I won't mention names. I will see you online later, and I buy you later. Last but not least, let's do it. I hope it's like one of those big shower gel. Oh, okay. Well, they did save the best for last. Overnight Reset Oil and Serum Skin Barrier Support. Wow, look at that. Get lost in this beauty, will you? I just love the way this looks. With all the little, makes me want to drink it. It's like mochi, but for your skin. I'm so lucky they sent me a full size and I love it. Wow, okay, well, at least they got the memo. We end with a bang, right? Right. Hope you enjoyed this Loccitane gorgeous advent calendar. Let me know in the comments below if you are a fan of this brand. If so, what product do you love? And what would you like for me to unbox next? We have MAC Cosmetics on its way along with Christian Louboutin. I figure that, the other advent calendars I have, for example, Anthropology and the 12-day Harrods one, you guys can check it out on my other platforms so I don't repeat myself because I can't act. I'm not going to be like, oh my God, it's just for the first time. I can't do that. Thanks for understanding. Love you guys. Until next time. Bye. But I understand it's personal. Not everyone likes shower gel. Not everyone likes to shower. That's not my problem. Okay, moving on. Oh, okay, we'll get that later. Wait, no, I have to get it now. My OCD. Okay.